Are you trying to understand the differences between ACCA affiliates and ACCA members? If so, you are in the right place. Today, we're going to explore what each status means, how they differ, and the benefits associated with them. Whether you're just starting your ACCA journey or already on your way, this information will help you understand where you stand and what steps to take next. So, let's get into it. First up, let's clarify what it means to be an ACCA affiliate. An ACCA affiliate is someone who has passed all 13 examinations for the ACCA qualification but has not yet met the requirements for full membership. The ACCA affiliate status is an intermediate step towards becoming a member, and they cannot use the letters ACCA before their names. To move forward to membership, affiliates need to complete the Ethics and Professional Skills module and the Practical Experience requirement. Being an affiliate means you're recognized as having a solid foundation in accounting principles and practices, but you are still working towards the full qualification. Now, let's talk about ACCA members. To achieve membership status, individuals must have passed all 13 ACCA exams and the Ethics and Professional Skill modules, completed 3 years of relevant experience, which is called the Practical Experience Requirement (PER). ACCA members are recognized as fully qualified professionals and are often regarded as experts in their field. They have achieved a high level of credibility and are qualified to hold senior positions in accounting profession. Understanding the distinctions between ACCA affiliates and members is crucial for anyone pursuing a career in accounting and finance. While both designations indicate a significant achievement within the ACCA qualification framework, there are key differences in the experience, professional status, and ongoing responsibilities. Let's break down what sets ACCA affiliates apart from ACCA members. An ACCA affiliate has successfully passed all the required exams but still needs to gain relevant real-world experience. In contrast, an ACCA member has not only passed the exams but has also acquired the necessary practical experience, qualifying them as certified professionals in the accounting field. While ACCA affiliates and members may hold similar job roles within a company, their seniority, designation, and salary often differs. Members typically enjoy higher positions and greater compensation due to their full professional status. The membership fee for an ACCA affiliate is £149, which is approximately 16,246.33 INR. For ACCA members, the fee is £297, which is roughly 32,383.63 INR. ACCA members are also required to complete 40 hours of continuing professional development (CPD) annually to maintain their membership, whereas affiliates are not obligated to fulfill this requirement. Being an ACCA affiliate offers several benefits. As an ACCA affiliate, you gain recognition of your academic achievements, which enhances your career opportunities and provides a solid platform to launch and elevate your career in accounting and finance industry. On the other hand, ACCA members enjoy enhanced benefits due to their fully qualified status. As a globally recognized professional, an ACCA member has access to a vast network of peers and industry leaders through exclusive ACCA member networking events. Additionally, ACCA members benefit from job portal opportunities tailored specifically for them, providing access to high-quality career prospects. Membership also grants access to ACCA Connect. Additionally, members are often seen as industry leaders and have the opportunity to hold senior and influential positions. In summary, while both ACCA affiliates and members have achieved significant milestones, members have completed all the necessary requirements to be fully recognized professionals. Whether you're currently an affiliate or aiming to becoming one, understanding these differences can guide your career decisions effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.